Hey everyone, I'm Manuela with Politics, and in this video we're going to look at how to use the search bar in the product overview page. I know this may seem relatively straightforward, but there's actually a hidden feature that can help take your search to the next level. By default, the search bar on the product overview page lets you search by SKU and label, since these tend to be the most common identifiers that people use for their products. However, you can customize this to use up to 4 different attributes when using your search bar. So let's take a look at that in a bit more detail. The first thing that you need to know is that there are only certain attribute types that are compatible with the search bar. Logically enough, these are the text-based ones. So we're talking short text, paragraph, drop-down, multi-select, and URL. The reason for this is that if you want to search for products with a certain numerical value, then you're much better off using the filter function. That way, you'll also have the option of searching for products that have values not just equal to, but also higher than or lower than a certain amount, or before or after a certain point if we're talking about something chronological. For more information about filters and smart lists, you can check out the video linked in the description. Okay, so now let's see how to actually change your search bar settings. First, make sure you're on the product overview page. To get here, you can either click products and then all products, or just click on the logo here. Then hover over the search bar and click on the gear icon that appears here. This will take you to the search bar settings. Here, you can select attributes that you want to be included in your searches from the available attributes column, or if you want to remove any, you can deselect them from the selected attributes column. After that, just click on Save Settings and you're good to go. From this point on, whichever attribute or attributes that you selected will be used as the basis for searches when you use the search bar. And don't worry, you can always change the selected attributes whenever you want. Why is this useful? Well, it's all about saving you time based on the criteria that you and your colleagues search for most often. Maybe you're selling clothes online and you want to be able to quickly search for a particular collection or clothes made from certain materials or that have certain SEO keywords. You can set up filters and create smart lists for specific searches if you search for those particular terms on a regular basis. But if you'd rather have the option of searching for whatever term you like within that criteria, then this is the way to do that quickly and easily. The best part is that this configuration is individual to each user, meaning that everyone can set their own preferences without disrupting anyone else. So let's say you work in logistics, you might often want to search by country of origin or tax ID or shipping company. So it makes sense for you to set those up as your default search criteria. Your colleagues in sales though, they can have theirs set to search by style, collection, material, whatever makes sense for them, and it won't affect your settings. I hope this helped. If you have any more questions about the search bar or anything else, then let us know in the comments or message us in the chat on our website. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more advice about how to use the Politics PIM and even e-commerce in general. See you next time.